I know we have all overpacked for our trips, and in this video, I wanted to share with you, I have cracked the code for figuring out the best, most efficient way to pack for a trip without feeling like you're overpacking or like you bring the wrong outfits. So how to stylize your looks, packing hacks, outfit versatility, and efficiency tips, because there's so much that goes into packing for what I'm going on, which is a 17-day trip, doing a ton of different things in different weather climates, and how do we fit that all in one carry-on. So I'm gonna show you guys how I pack for that, what I'm bringing, and how I build my outfits. For this trip specifically, by the way, I'm going to Japan and it's gonna be spring, so the outfits I'm gonna be bringing are a lot more street style, edgy, and less summertime, if that makes sense. Like I wanna have a lot of blacks because obviously having blacks, whites, neutrals are all really easy outfit combinations. So the way we accent that, I'm gonna share with you how I make those look just not like I'm wearing a white shirt with black pants. So let's go ahead and get started. Layering basics. So I'm bringing 2, maybe 3 plain t-shirts so I can build different outfits with different jackets, different pants. So one piece that I'm bringing is just a standard blazer. I got this one from Aritzia, and it's just a perfect slouchy blazer that's oversized, and to me, like an oversized jacket that's not huge and bulky, especially for Japan, is really important because it's really tiny bars and you're sitting at tiny little restaurants and tiny booths, and you don't want this big clunky jacket. Not only do I not want to wear it, but I also just don't want to pack it in case I don't want it and it's too hot. So alternatively, something that's really important to bring is a layering piece, such as a cashmere sweater. So from Aritzia as well, I have a black basic cashmere sweater. You can kind of have fun with the sweater because I feel like you can put it over your shoulders, you can wear it under your blazer, and then it can create a warm jacket feeling without being super bulky. So not only is it saving space in your suitcase, but it's also saving space with you having to like lug it around. It's just a nice throw on. So remembering little things that you can throw on, wear on your shoulders, wear around your waist, put in your bag. Very easy. Cashmere is super warm and really versatile. Which brings me to my next step with the layering pieces, is just versatility. I want a sweater that I can wear with almost every outfit that I'm bringing. So if I can't wear it with more than one outfit and I'm going on a really long trip, I would rather scrap that outfit and bring something else that I can layer a bunch of different looks with. Another thing to think about is your fabric choice. So something that doesn't wrinkle too much unless you're gonna bring a steamer or something. If you're trying to pack super efficiently and really small, I don't recommend bringing super wrinkly clothes. Like linen is kind of hard, obviously. It's just a good way to stay clear of chaotic packing and like bringing too many things you can't wear more than once. Everything I'm bringing, I can wear with pretty much every other thing that I'm bringing. So you can dress them up, dress them down. I have a pair of little booties that I'm bringing. They're from like Aqua. I think I got them at like Nordstrom forever ago, but any just casual booty that I feel like for me, whenever I go on a trip, I'm like, oh, I want to bring my nicest heel. But sometimes because we're going to Japan, we're going to be walking a ton. I don't want to bring that. I want to bring a shoe that I can walk around in that I'm super comfortable in. Also for shoes, I feel like this is where I like to have more fun. I wanted to bring a really cute walk around sneaker, and I also wanted to bring just like a functional shoe. You can go on really long 10-mile walks, etc., and I don't feel exhausted. And plus that packs away really small. 2 things I always bring with me is a bathing suit and at least one activewear set, because you never know. You might need it, you might just want to lounge in it, you might want to just go get a coffee really quick and not have like a full look happening, so keep that in mind. And for jackets, like I said, I'm keeping it really lightweight. I actually got this green one from Bass Pro Shops because I was modeling for them. Packs away, it's just the best little coat I've ever found, and so cheap, and so it's coming with me because it has that really nice slouchy versatile look to it, and also the color of the green is perfect for this because I can wear it with all black. I can also wear it with more neutral tones. I'm also bringing these pants that I found from Free People, and they're very, how do I explain these? They're bright, obviously. It adds some color and life into my clothes. Otherwise it's just black and white, and I don't really want all black and white. I would love a little bit of color. So these pants with my shoes just kind of like elevate a look, but they're perfect for like the airport and traveling. They do wrinkle a bit, but it doesn't bother me. They actually like kind of look good wrinkly like that, and they'll just kind of be like my double down sweatpants, easy throw on. If it's a really spring day and it's hot outside, those will be perfect to walk around town. So the versatile bottoms that I'm bringing are my Free People yellow pant, these pants from Raucha, which are so stinking cute. They have a tie around the waistband. A stylist introduced me to this brand and it was one of the best items that I purchased for this trip. So I have I have actually 3 different types of barrel pants because that's what I really want to be rocking in Japan. Hey guys, it's me from the future. These pants were actually kind of the wrong pick. The white ones I couldn't wear too much because they got dirty. The Raucha ones, the black ones, are amazing. I wore them literally every day. The yellow ones, it was a little bit too cold, so couldn't wear them. And the black ones look just like the other black ones, so I wish I would have brought just a regular jeans. So make sure you have a little bit of variety. That's pretty much the meat and potatoes of my outfits that I'm bringing. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do some shopping there. Okay, just kidding. After going to Japan, I'm editing this post Japan, and it's so funny because I was expecting to like shop a ton while I was there, and I actually didn't find any clothing. Like, I looked really hard. I was searching and I went shopping with my boyfriend and I took my time, and I was just like not feeling any of it. I just don't know if it was my style. All the vintage stuff was like vintage American, like Ohio State sweatshirts, and just nothing that was like really cool and edgy and different. So I was a little disappointed, and I was also surprised to see most of the girls weren't wearing like cool street style outfits. They were wearing more like dressed up little girl schoolgirl outfits. So I might have missed the mark a little bit on the style and fashion, but that's okay. I still felt really good. I wish I could have found a couple things, but it's okay. This is how we learn. So if you're going to Japan, just keep that in mind. Make sure you don't make the same mistakes that I did. Next up is thinking about the day to night transformation of one outfit. Can you bring another piece or alter the outfit so that you can go from day to night so that you have that versatility? Versatility is the best way to pack for a trip. Number 1, what's your colorway? Number 2, are your outfits versatile from day to night? And you can dress up any outfit with layering, not only layering, but my favorite way to make an outfit look insane is to have a cool bag, have really cool socks, a cool belt, sunglasses, and shoes. That's like the additional accessories that make any plain white t-shirt with black pants look really good. And then I just got this bag from Claire V, which obsessed with this bag. Not only do I love it because of the color and it's just kind of like loud and it makes any outfit pop, but it's a fanny pack, so I don't have to carry it around with me as I'm walking around town trying to lug all my stuff, and it's big enough. A little bag that goes over your shoulder for nighttime I will bring as well, just to have something that's like not that casual, but this is the perfect daytime walk around fanny. Never knew I would be a fanny girl, but I am. These are my space saving hack. I have an away bag. It's an average size carry-on, so that's all I'm bringing. And I have these like little roll up plastic bags, and it takes the air out of it, rolls it out, and it flattens the pieces really well. Not only do I love it because it allows me to pack more stuff, but it also organizes. So I can put my bathing suit, my bra, my underwear, my socks in one, I can put my shirts in one, and my pants in another, and just organize it that way. So I'm not constantly opening up every single bag when I'm trying to find a piece. And they're clear so you can really see. And for toiletries, the best way that I found is I just use a gallon size Ziploc bag, and I will put all my shower essentials in there. And honestly, I don't worry about bringing too much because especially if you're going to a city, you can buy anything you need in like any convenience store. Favorite makeup bag that I have right now is from Hourglass, actually. It has this little center compartment, has a place for your makeup brushes, and it opens up really nicely and it packs really small. So that's my favorite makeup. I'll kind of put like airplane essentials also in another bag so I can have that in my backpack. So my backpack is from a brand called DB, and it's just a really great travel backpack. I have like the smallest size, so I'll put my headphones in there, my eye mask, hand sanitizer, chapstick, eye drops. Laptop has a little side zipper on it for my laptop. So I'll just have all my easily accessible items in that backpack, and then everything else will go in my suitcase. Oh, and then my other thing is the turtle head neck thing, which you need to get a neck pillow, Emilio. One that I got is from Turtle, and I love it because it's structured, but it's really flat. and you just put it on one side so it holds up really well and it doesn't feel like there's a bunch of like fabric and stuff going on here. And that way I can pack it up really small and bring it and not feel like it is taking up too much room in my tiny carry-on. So that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some insight on this. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, I love all the things that I've figured out to bring on this trip. I feel like I'm gonna have all the things that I need. I will report back. I will follow up in a short and let you know if there's other things that I wish I would have brought, etc. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next video.